How to make money using ChatGPT in 2023. The internet is blown away by ChatGPT and its ability to answer every question under the sun. But what exactly is it? ChatGPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, by OpenAI is a conversational AI chatbot and advanced language model that generates text that is similar to human writing. It has been trained on a vast dataset, enabling it to comprehend and respond to various topics, from high school English to astrophysics. Isn't it amazing? If it is so powerful, why not use it to earn more money? Before you say anything, all we have to say is, it's possible. Whether you're a freelancer, small business owner, or just looking for a side hustle, this guide will give you the tools you need to earn money with ChatGPT. But there is a problem. ChatGPT comes with some limitations. Who doesn't like earning some extra money without putting in much work? With AI technologies like ChatGPT, there are now more ways than ever to monetize your skills and knowledge. From content creation to customer service, the possibilities are endless. We have put together 14 ways to earn money using ChatGPT in 2023. Let's begin. Content writing services. Marketing teams are always looking for writers who can deliver high-quality content fast. Content writing is for you if you have a flair for writing and earning good money. The best part is ChatGPT can help speed up the writing process so that you can take more work. If you have to write a blog post on 10 ways to improve your SaaS sales, here's how ChatGPT can help you. Copywriting. If you do not enjoy writing long-form content like blog posts and ebooks but love to write captivating Instagram captions, ad copy, or viral tweets, then copywriting is for you. Earn more money for fewer words with ChatGPT. You can also use Chatsonic Chrome extension to write viral tweets. You have a strong knack for using emotions but are unsure how to play with words. ChatGPT got you covered. Let's ask ChatGPT to write an Instagram caption for a vacation picture in Turkey. Email marketing services. 64.1% of small businesses use email marketing as it is the third highest ROI of marketing media. But businesses struggle to convert these email visitors into sales. You can pitch in and help them by writing catchy subject lines and email content. The most common type of email marketing includes email sequences, newsletters, retention, and promotional emails. New to this? Don't stress. Leverage ChatGPT technology to help you throughout the email marketing process and earn more money. Editing and paraphrasing services. The demand for editors is rising with the constant stream of content. It's important to ensure that the content is accurate, clear, and easy to read. That's where editors come in. Most of this content is also being repurposed. For example, a blog post can be repurposed into a tweet thread, a LinkedIn post, and an Instagram carousel. To repurpose content effectively, paraphrasing skills are essential. Become an assistant tutor. Professors and teachers have a lot to do other than teaching. They have to check assignments, grade papers, create teaching plans and materials for the curriculum. You can take this weight off their shoulders by assisting them in administrative tasks and making some money. Even though you are not an expert in the subject or lesson planning, technologies like ChatGPT can help you master these tasks in no time. Start a food recipe blog. This is one of the easiest ways to earn money with ChatGPT. You must set up a website and start writing about recipes. Zero knowledge of cooking? Are no recipes worth sharing on the blog? Just ask ChatGPT. That's how simple it is. But ChatGPT being only updated with information until 2021 might give you old recipes. Book reviews. Are you a bookworm? Do you eat, breathe, and sleep books? Even if you are a seasonal reader, book reviews are a great way to earn money with ChatGPT. You only need to pick a book, read it, and write a brief review. Use ChatGPT to refine the review and publish it on your book blog. Write music lyrics. Did you ever listen to the lyrics of a song and realize the depth of emotions? If you can write similar lyrics and earn money from them, think no more. Use ChatGPT and put your thoughts into words to make them music lyrics. Video scripts. There are 51 million YouTube channels created. which means there are 51 million opportunities for video scripts. A lot of established YouTube channels choose to hire freelancers to do video scripting. You can write video scripts for YouTube channels using ChatGPT. In most cases, the YouTubers provide a brief to help you develop a detailed script. Character Count Tool. A character count tool is an online tool that allows you to count the number of characters in a text. Characters include letters, numbers, spaces, and special characters. You can also include a word count feature that counts the number of words in the text. It is very useful for writers and marketers to check the length of the post before publishing it. Paraphrasing tool. Rephrasing and rewording text are very common in the life of writers and marketers. A paraphrasing tool makes this easier. It helps users rephrase or reword text in a way that retains the same meaning but uses different words and phrases. It can be used by writers, students, and researchers to rephrase text to avoid plagiarism, simplify complex language, or improve the readability of a text quickly and accurately. Summarizing tool. Everyone loves summaries, don't they? Book summaries, lesson summaries, movie summaries, and whatnot. Why not leverage this need for summaries by creating a summarizing tool that can quickly summarize text? It uses different text types, such as news articles, research papers, and even books. A summarizing tool can be useful for researchers, students, busy professionals, and anyone who needs a quick and efficient way to process large amounts of text. A customer service chatbot. Do you receive a lot of customer queries and complaints every day? A customer service chatbot is the best way to deal with this effectively. It can be integrated into a website, an app, or a messaging platform, and it is designed to assist customers with their inquiries and resolve their issues. The chatbot can handle various customer service-related tasks, such as answering frequently asked questions, providing product or service information, and troubleshooting technical issues. Language translator. Language translators can translate written text, spoken words, or even images with text. They can also be configured to understand multiple languages and dialects. This makes language translators a great tool for people who frequently travel, businesses that operate in multiple countries, or anyone who needs to communicate with people from different cultures or backgrounds. With ChatGPT's vast potential, the possibilities for earning money are endless. All you need to do is put in a little effort. You can do anything from writing content to building apps with ChatGPT to earn money. Experiment using ChatGPT in different business use cases to explore the possibilities.